Hi all. Last video we have discussed about my research lab of $75. I have discussed what all instruments or what all chemicals I have for the experiment. Last yesterday I have inoculated the bacteria from the third acid soil. I've just taken the soil and inoculated using the basic microbiology things, and I've inoculated the bacteria in the agar media, and what you're now seeing is my DIY incubator. This is just the basic principle is just what people follow in making the incubator for what hatching the eggs. Same thing. As it is winter here, it is temperature around 10-15. It is the range now. So I have used you can see the incubator now. I am just showing the incubator. It's a simple thing, nothing what big thing. I have just I'm just showing the incubator now. It's just a 60-watt bulb I have used for the incubator, and just a newspaper for the you can see my petri plate there, and I have used a this you can see the temperature here around, it's maintained around 30 degree. You can see the temperature properly. It's maintained around 30 degree, as it is a winter, I think so. It came like that. It's maintained around 30 degrees. So there was no such great fluctuations was there. So it was well incubated, and you can see my plate here. You can see the growth, bacterial growth here. So it was a successful experiment. You can see my plate. I will show it in light, in detail. You can see a lot of bacterial colonies here. As the petri plate is not much transparent, I can show it. I will just open it for a second and then close it. You can see the beautiful colonies. You can see it. I don't know when this next episode or next experiment will come, because as I said in the first video, I need to use this bacteria for melanin production. So thing is that for melanin production I need a couple of instruments also. So buying that, it will cost a lot. So as it is COVID time, it is a bit tougher to get the financial requirements. So I am waiting for one or 2 months. In 1 or 2 months, the next video will come. So when I can purchase a couple of instruments, it cost around 3,000 rupees only. So when the documents come, I will be coming with the next video, the third video. We need to subculture this and go for the melanin production. So both for that, a couple of chemicals and couple of instruments need to be here, so that now it is a challenging thing for me. So I am not continuing this up to melanin production. Maybe I will be doing some more experiments with the things, with the equipments or the chemicals which I have now today. Maybe I will be doing some experiments. I am not confirmed anything about that. If I am doing, I will be posting that. If not, I will be posting only after the getting the equipments after melanin production. Just in 1 month or 2 months, we can see that the third experiment. Hope so. Thank you everybody for watching. It was so successful. I need to build up my DIY orbital shaker also soon. So thank you everyone for viewing. Please subscribe to the channel. I will be definitely coming with my further experiments with this small $75 lab of mine. Thank you.